Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Sunday. So, today I thought I'll make a different sort of a video as the school holidays are approaching, and some schools already have holidays. I'll talk about my Airbnb in Goa. My Airbnb is in South Goa. It's extremely close to Dabolim Airport, a 10-minute drive, and also very close to Vasco Station. It's a beautiful flat. It's fully furnished. It's decorated. We have decorated on totally. It's got a totally Goan themed home. AC in both the bedrooms, functional kitchen, and the best part. I mean, it's not. It's you won't regret it. Is the view that you get from our balconies. It's got such a beautiful and amazing view that you will just be sitting on the balcony and enjoying the view. Up, you get to see the Zuari River and the breeze in the afternoon and evening. It's so relaxing and so calming. Watching, the tugboats on the water. Then you get to see helicopters. The air base is also close by. Helicopters flying overhead. And if you're lucky, if you're lucky, there is an island directly in front of my house. If you're lucky, so there, the path opens up and you can, trek to that island. I mean, it's a one in a lifetime experience to visit that island because that path, it's like a magical path. It opens up. Path opens up. Please do go and visit that island because the view from that island and it's something totally, and it's an experience. Sitting Goa, do visit my Airbnb. So for a 2 BHK with river views, the price is very, it's very affordable. For It's for 4 people, no pets at the moment, but it's quite affordable for 4 people. There is I mean, you get Swiggy coming over for food, groceries. There is also a grocery shop quite close by. There are parlors close by. There is a quaint little coffee shop also if you want to have your coffee in the morning close by to our house. And the most beautiful thing is the view that you get from all the rooms of our Airbnb, from the living room, from the guest bedroom, from the master bedroom, and you would love the way the house is decorated. So if you're coming to Goa, please do keep in mind my Airbnb, and the location is very convenient because it's very close to the station also Vasco, and it's very close to the Dabolim Airport also. So thank you very much, and have a nice day.